In this video, I want to show you how to create a new field and attribute the field in ArcGIS Pro. This process is also referred to as data attribution in GIS, whereby you create a field and populate it. So let me show you how to get it done. So in ArcGIS Pro, the first thing I'm going to do is to bring in the data I will use to demonstrate this exercise. So I will come under map and click on add data. Then I will navigate to my folder. I want to use this land use land cover map to demonstrate this exercise. I'll click to select it and click on OK. Yes, here I have my land use land cover map with the value. So now, if I want to attribute this data, that is, I want to give the name or the class each of this value represents. So what to do is to right click the layer and open the attribute table. When the attribute table opens, you can see I have about 3 fields. I have the OID, value, and count. Now, if I want to add another field and then attribute it, click on add field. This will open this field. Then give it a name, that is the field name. I want to call it class. Then the data type, come here and click on this place. Then I will select text because the data type I want to enter is text. So after you have input these informations, come on top here, you can see save, and that is under field. You can see save. So click to save the edit. Now it is saved. Close this one, and when you come back to this very field, you can see that the new field we created has been added to the attribute table. Now to populate it, which is data attribution, what you need to do is to enter the value or the text. So in this case, I want to enter the class that each value represents. For example, this first one is water body. Then this 2 represent trees. I will write trees. Then 4 represent flooded vegetation. Then 5 is farmland. Then 7 represent built up area. And 8 represent best service. Then 11 represents rangeland. So I've inputted the value for all the class. Now to save it, you have to come back to edit. Here is edit, and here you can see save. Click on save to save this edit. Click yes, and the value or the information we supplied has been saved. Now this thing we've just done is part of what we call data attribution. So in this video, I've shown you how to create a field and then attribute the field. Now after this, the next thing we can do, we might want to label each of the class with the class name instead of value. So to do that, just close this attribute table. Then come back to this layer, right click and click on symbology. When it opens symbology, change here to unique value. Then come to the field we want to use, click here and select class we just created. When you click on class, you can see that it has turned the labeling to classes which we just created. I can now close this page. So in essence, this is how to create field and attribute it in ArcGIS Pro. I hope this tutorial is helpful to someone. Like this video and share. Thank you for watching.